Hello aspirants, I hope you all are doing great and your studies are going well. This is Sonika and you're watching CGB Mentors. So today we are going to discuss a comprehensive guide about the NABARD grade A preparation, especially for the beginners. And just want to give you a little disclaimer that this video is not about the exam pattern, syllabus, ये चीज़ आती है, ये चीज़ नहीं आती. These are the PYQs and this is the analysis, because you can find innumerable number of videos on YouTube and you can watch there. But this is something which is, when you're starting your preparation, and especially for beginners, कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, कि हमें self study करनी चाहिए, कि हमें self study नहीं करनी चाहिए. There's so many competition, there's so many aspirants that, from the different backgrounds. So it will just give you an insights that whether you should prepare or not. Then even if you're, targeting NABARD grade A, then when you should prepare and what should be the direction and focus, and how Crack Grade B and CGP mentors would, help you in your entire journey. So let's begin. So yes, first of all, you need to have a clarity about the examination. That means when you're preparing it, then you must have the clarity that, कि मुझे ये NABARD grade है जो preparation है जो उसकी करनी है, what is the relevant study material, what is the relevant study resources that you are supposed to do. Because without clarity, you will not be able to execute your thing. Without clarity, you will not be able to apply your mindset. So yes, you should have a clarity about it. And when you get the clarity कि हमें ये सब करना है, ऐसे करना है, you're organizing and analyzing each stuff, then you get a direction to execute step by step. And definitely you need to focus, because sometimes we do a lot of hard work without the smart work. And in today's days, hard work is definitely the worst step in the ladder. But yes, if you're not doing the smart work, then all your things go in vain. So yes, instead of feeling lost in the syllabus, we need to step by step, and we should move forward step by step. And there shall be a lot of confidence that if you're starting this journey, then believe in that journey, and then it will give you fruitful results. Next, there are some aspirants who just follow the trial and error approach. What they will do, they will find innumerable resources. They will download it. Then they will go to the different websites. Then they will go to the different innumerable channels. And फिर अलग-अलग से plans बनाएंगे. And they will make different strategies after each day. And इससे क्या होगा कि you will end up in losing a lot of time, money and energy. So I don't think that अभी आपके पास इतना time है कि आप trial and error approach करें. So you need a focused execution. Why focused execution? हम अब आगे धीरे-धीरे discuss करेंगे. What do you mean? Why all the actions that shall be taken in this entire journey? So yes. And also, many aspirants, they are very, they feel very vulnerable कि हमने तो कभी कोई exam background हमारा है नहीं. There's a lot of UPSC aspirants in the examination. Just a second. There are a lot of UPSC aspirants जो exam देते हैं. Then there are banking aspirants as well. फिर RBI grade वाले grade B जो भी है वो वाले aspirants भी हैं जो इस exam को लिखते हैं. And there was number of applicants. Trust me, ये सिर्फ एक mind buzz है, ये सिर्फ एक background noise है. That shall not be given energies and time to. And you should just focus that ये आपका competition नहीं है. Your competition is just yourself, right? Your competition is just to enable and to take actions to maintain your consistency. Your competition is कि आप जो आज कर रहे हैं और आप जो कल कर रहे हैं उसमें क्या difference है. That is your competition. So बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा overwhelmed हो जाते हैं, and I won't say that it is wrong. You can think up to a point maybe for a day or two, but rather than thinking about the competition, you just focus on your preparation. So let's say you do not have any agriculture background. Let's say you are quite a beginner. Then you just need to know your strengths. You need to know your weaknesses so that you are able to compete with those people. But you do not have to think about those aspirants. So yes, you're competing with yourself. So ये चीज़ भी आपको clear हो जानी चाहिए कि आप जो है आपका खुद का competition है और कोई भी आपका competition नहीं है. Okay. Then yes, ये फिर से जो है repeat हो रहा है. For example, you're a veteran that you're giving different kinds of examination. Then you must be able to analyze, कि मुझे क्या पता है, क्या नहीं पता है. What are the strengths and weaknesses in me? For example, if UPSC aspirant है, उसको economics आएगा, then he must be or she must be aware about the schemes part. But then he need to buck up with the quant and reasoning stuff. Again, then there are people who are from the agriculture backgrounds, they need to buckle with the economics and QRE section. But if you are a complete beginner, then you need a quite, you know, curated material, curated syllabus pattern in each and everything. So just you are supposed to just, you know, execute and not think कि अभी मुझे क्या करना है, कल मुझे क्या करना है, या परसों मुझे क्या करना है. So yes, this video is mostly about beginners. So yes, then there is a preparation pathways matrix. अच्छा, there's so many doubts for the aspirants कि वो ये सोचते हैं कि क्या मैं self study कर लूँ, है ना. People who come from the different backgrounds, people who are working professionals, especially because they don't have time to, you know, devote, then उनके मन में हमेशा ये डाउट रहता है कि हमें सेल्फ स्टडी करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट सी इफ़ यू हैव अ डिफरेंट थोड़ा सा बैकग्राउंड है आपके पास, तो आप सेल्फ स्टडी कर सकते हैं. यू हैव एग्रीकल्चर इकोनॉमिक्स degree, then you can go for it, and you have a lot of time maybe, you know, to devote to analyze the strategies and to, you know, download and filter out the resources. कितना पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, कितनी डेप्थ में पढ़ना है, तो आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं. But I would suggest that if you're a complete beginner, then you should go for the, you know, guided mentorship, right? And उसमें फिर क्या होगा कि आपको already curated जो है syllabus pattern, you don't have to just go to the website each and every day and just see the syllabus and आपको फिर उसमें topics, subtopics and sub-topics देखने होंगे. Then you can just go, you know, whatever is being curated and especially for you. After that, see if you are someone who lacks little bit of analytical capabilities, you know, कि इसमें क्या करना है, इसमें क्या नहीं करना है, या मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी है, I don't have that much time to curate my own stuff, then you should definitely take the course or any kind of the mentorship guidance, right? सो ये आई थिंक आपको क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए कि आपको कब सेल्फ स्टडी करनी है या आपको कब सेल्फ स्टडी नहीं करनी है. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक फाउंडेशन इन स्पेसिफिक्स नबार्ड सब्जेक्ट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द इकोनॉमिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स, यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि कहाँ से पढ़ना है, वेदर फ्रॉम वेयर आई शैल गो टू द गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स. एंड इवन इफ़ यू नो कि मुझे गवर्नमेंट किस मिनिस्ट्री से करनी है, देन कौन कौन सी मिनिस्ट्रीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, उन मिनिस्ट्रीज में से कौन कौन सी स्कीम्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड आफ्टर दैट उन स्कीम्स में से कितना पढ़ना है और क्या पढ़ना है. अगर आपको चाहिए कि देन यू हैव टू you know, be very very specific about it. You have to think, you know, you just have to you just want to execute more rather than thinking, then I think you should take the course rather than self study. Then yes, do's and don'ts, the various do's and don'ts in this NABARD preparation. do's तो basically सबको पता ही होते हैं, जैसे कि you know, you need to get the right resources. अगर आपको right resources नहीं मिलेंगे, देखो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा time waste हो जाएगा. You will end up investing a lot of not only time, money and energy also. तो you know, the first step is to go towards the correct resources, and the second step is to execute the timing of the resources, and आप अपने actions को execute कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आपके पास right resources नहीं होंगे, just you know, following directionless and you're not knowing anything कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, and then it will be like a, you know, walking on a path which is like you're not getting the direction for it. Then study smart. I think ये सबको पता होता है. It's just that कि सब बोलता है smart पढ़ो, but कैसे smart study करनी है वो कोई नहीं बताता है. I believe so. So yes, study smart when I say, तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपको क्या पढ़ना है, कितने डेप्थ में जाना है, कितने डेप्थ में नहीं जाना है. What are the topics which you can avoid in the last minute examination tips. And for example, in this there are certain topics. For example, fisheries chapter is there. वहाँ से hardly एक question आता है. So I don't think आप उसको बिल्कुल लास्ट मिनट पे पढ़े. यू शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट द कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव, यू नो, सॉरी, दिस थिंग, कॉस्ट बेनिफिट आउटपुट रेशियो, कि किस टॉपिक से कितना पढ़ा जा रहा है. देन यू हैव टू एनालाइज द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस कि कौन से टॉपिक पे आपकी ज़्यादा लेवरेज है, किसकी ज़्यादा वेटेज है. देन यू हैव टू सी एंड एनालाइज योरसेल्फ इन द मॉक टेस्ट कि मेरा, अच्छा मैंने ये पढ़ लिया फिर भी आई एम नॉट एबल टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चंस, और मैंने ये नहीं पढ़ा इतना फिर भी आई एम एबल टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चंस. दैट मीन्स यू नीड टू नो अबाउट ऑल योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस एट वन प्लेस. You can write that and you can analyze it and you can execute, you know, towards improving your journey. Then time management is obviously one more thing. इस पे एक अलग से, you know, video बन सकता है, that how you need to plan your time as well accordingly to the subjects, according to the various topics. आपको quant अगर weak है तो आपको quant को थोड़ा ज़्यादा time देना पड़ेगा. For example, computer है, it is manageable अगर आप उसको 1-2 दिन भी, you know, last के 1 week में पढ़ लोगे, only by just solving the MCQs that must be available on various channels as well. तो you need to be aware कि भाई common schemes और PIB से इतने सारे questions आते हैं, तो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा time इसको डिवोट करना है. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली देयर इज टाइम मैनेजमेंट एट पर्सनल लेवल ऑल्सो. यू नो, इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर साइमल्टेनियसली फॉर 2 different exams, for example you are preparing for RBI, then you know how much hours to devote to each of the exams, then you should be aware about all those stuff. Then PYQ analysis, ये मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ. Uh, this is my favorite topic, that is unrealistic planning, because when I was in my journey, so I used to make a lot of targets and वो कभी पूरे होते नहीं थे, and I used to get dejected and dissatisfied with myself कि भाई तू क्या कर रही है, और इससे क्या होता है कि it just lose your confidence, आपका मोराल जो है बहुत ज़्यादा लूज हो जाता है, एंड पोज दैट आप क्या करते हो, प्रोकास्टिनेट करते हो, क्योंकि बिकॉज 2-3 days से आपके टारगेट्स कंप्लीट हो नहीं रहे हैं, एंड देन यू प्रोकास्टिनेट कि this is left, that is left, what to do, what not to do, and that procrastination again leads to overthinking. So yes, आपको first of all unrealistic plans नहीं बनाने हैं, नहीं बनाने हैं. You see your capabilities, you see your time, you see कि आप कितना पढ़ सकते हैं, and after that make plans accordingly. And even if you're able to complete 75 or maybe 70% of the target, of your daily target, then you're very good to go. You should pat your back कि भाई हमने ये इतना कर लिया है, and उसके बाद आपका होगा प्रोकास्टिनेशन भी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर नॉट इफ़ यू आर स्टडिंग फॉर straight for 1 week for 10-12 hours, which is right too much, and फिर आप 8वें दिन कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ोगे, it doesn't make sense. It's better to study 5 hours per day, and even someday like you're busy, you can study for just 1 hour, and that consistency is really 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 important. Third is stop overthinking. Again, overthinking can be of different types. It can be at professional level, career level, it can be at your personal level कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. Then there is family life pressure also, there is career pressure also. I think overthinking is just a natural human tendency, but you should know that where to stop कि भाई अभी बहुत सोच के होगा, let's believe in the actions, because when you will do the actions, again you will follow the discipline, and you will be more aware and conscious about yourself. ये मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ दैट कंपाउंडिंग सक्सेस इज लाइक 60-80% रूल आप फॉलो कीजिए. इवन इफ यू आर एबल टू कंप्लीट 60-80% of the targets, then you are very 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 good to go, because that can only ensure your consistency. सब लोग बोलते हैं कि कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करो, बट आई थिंक there are very less people who tells you that अरे कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे होगा. ओहो, what is happening? Okay. So as it is important to maintain that consistency by analyzing yourself and following the targets daily. चाहे वो आपके targets पूरे हों या 60-80% भी पूरे हो रहे हैं, then you are very 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 good to go. You can see just the graph. The perfectionist will एक दिन वो 10 घंटे पढ़ लेगा, एक दिन 1 घंटे भी नहीं पढ़ेगा. That doesn't make sense, right? It's better that you study for an average number of hours, and then you can compete with that person. Okay, so yes. When to start the NABARD grade preparation? Again, ये लोगों के mind में questions आते हैं. You can prepare it 4 to 6 months before the notification comes, right? Then you can prepare with other exams like UPSC, RBI, then other banking aspirants also prepare for NABARD grade A. Then there is during graduation, at the end of the final year, you can start your preparation. Next, so yes, how can we help you in this NABARD preparation journey? How CGB mentors जो है आपकी help कर सकता है? Suppose you are not wanting to go for the self study, then how in this journey we can help you. So first of all, there are various free resources that are available, right? For example, the previous year questions. Then there are analysis and strategy videos by Ashok sir on YouTube, which are very detailed, be it the PYQs, be it the reports, what are the schemes that needs to be done, and yes, स्पेशली द कट ऑफ एनालिसिस, राइट, कि आपको कितने मार्क्स चाहिए, एंड अगर बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपकी क्वालिफाइंग हैं तो आपको उसे घबराना नहीं है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. Then already planned syllabus and flexible execution. As I said, you cannot just waste time in planning this entire stuff from the baseline. You just have to execute more if everything is planned by us. So yes, सब कुछ अगर आपको प्लान किया जाएगा, शेड्यूल दिया जाएगा जहाँ पे कौन कौन सी क्लासेस कब होंगी, what are the topics that shall be covered via videos, and you will be provided with the PDFs, be it the basic foundation, be it the current affairs, be it the general awareness, be it the PIB, government schemes, because there are hell lot of stuff that is required to study. तो अगर आपको ऑलरेडी प्लान चीज़ मिल जाती है तो मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है दैट आपका 50% ऑफ द टास्क ख़त्म हो जाता है, बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ एज अ एक्स एक्सपीरियंट ऑफ नाबार्ड, एंड after finding crack grade B, I never wasted my time in, planning this stuff, because everything was just planned. You just have to execute. Obviously, you will get doubts कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना, and then there is mentorship team, and our team can solve your doubts with time. So I just want to say that आप अपने execution पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिए. Then comes pre-analyzed strategies जो already YouTube channels पे already है. Then those strategies are also discussed in the personal guidance and mentorship program. Because it's not only about the hard work, it's also about the smart work. And smart work comes when you analyze yourself, when you analyze the pattern, when you analyze the syllabus. So that is why these strategies are pre-analyzed for you, right? They're curated for you. Then there is mentorship guidance. If you wish, you can take the mentorship guidance along with the course, right? Why? Because mentorship guidance will help you personally to solve your issues if you're facing issues, and आपको जो है mentorship guidance provide की जाएगी like once in a week, then once in twice in 15 days. Okay, so CGB Mentors is known for its limited and doable material. We do not provide the comprehensive, bulky, not comprehensive, I would say. We do not provide the heavy, bulky material, with the thousands, or I would say 200 and 300 videos जो आप शायद पूरे भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. And अगर आप पूरे कर पाएंगे, then you would not be able to revise that. So it's better you do the limited material with the comprehensive material and just target the, arrow directly into the fish eye. So yes, दिस इज़ रियली 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 इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप जो है लिमिटेड मटेरियल पढ़े और उसी में से ही पता होना चाहिए आपको कि यहाँ से जो है क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे और यहाँ से ही जो है मुझे ये सब करना है. एंड व्हेन fellow aspirants are aware, some fellow aspirants are really really aware about this thing. That is why they study less and get the good score, rather than those people who just keep on studying and they're not able to clear it. So this makes the difference. Then comes conceptual videos and foundational building. So our course provide the foundational building of each and every aspect of it, also with the conceptual videos of each and every topic, be it PIB, be it government schemes, be it economics, social issues, and each and everything. Then yes, the best part which I like is topic wise MCQs. When I say I like, I really mean it, because I used to study from CGB. So yes, in the last days of my preparation, I mean to say, when let's say exam is just 10 days बाद में, तो क्या होता है ना कि आप इतना सारा मटेरियल पढ़ने में, आपको रिवाइज करने में बेसिकली बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज आते हैं. सपोज आपने 2-3 बार भी कर लिया, देन यू फील लाइक कि देयर इज़ अ क्लम्जीनेस इन योर हेड, एंड यू थिंक दैट इतना सारा कुछ है, एंड लेट्स से 80% ऑफ द स्टफ इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट आउट ऑफ इट. तो अभी मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? तो मैं यूजली टॉपिक वाइज MCQs करती थी, बिकॉज CGB मेंटर्स प्रोवाइड टॉपिक वाइज MCQs ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक, चाहे वो आपका सब्जेक्ट है, चाहे वो आपका जनरल अवेयरनेस है, चाहे आपका PIB है ना, चाहे आपकी वो स्कीम्स है, हर मिनिस्ट्री की आपको स्कीम्स प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. इनफैक्ट डेली करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस, मंथली करंट अफेयर्स कंपाइल किए जाएंगे, एंड दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग फॉर मी इन द एंटायर जर्नी, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू शेयर माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस. बिकॉज फिर क्या होता है ना, आपका क्लम्जीनेस हट जाता है, द क्लाउड जस्ट टेक्स अ शेप, एंड यू कैन जस्ट learn those things which are important from the exam perspective. Yes, I think these is the other repeatable things, and आप ये चीज़ देख सकते हैं. Next, so I am going to introduce the mentorship ecosystem over here, where they will provide you the conceptual clarity about the exam and आपको क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए, स्मार्ट वर्क कैसे होगा, टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे होगा, है ना, आपको कोई इश्यूज आ रहे हैं पढ़ाई करने में, आपसे पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, why are you overthinking and procrastination, all these dealings will be, things will be dealt for you. And yes, you just have to bridge the gap. We have already curated each and everything, so you just need to execute that and little analyze your own competencies, that what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses. This is something which is very very important, I feel, because these are the testimonials from the students that how CGB Mentors is different from the other institutes, right? What make this different, and it's not it is all obviously based on my personal experiences, but also various testimonials given by the students. So yes, limited but comprehensive material, ये मैं आपको पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ, क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है ये भी मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. Simple and practical preparation, when I say simple and practical preparation, I just mean that we do not make our preparation कॉम्प्लेक्स, राइट? हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे ओ माई गॉड यू हैव टू डू 1 ईयर के करंट अफेयर्स, है ना, ओ माई गॉड यू दिस इज़ वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स, आपको ये भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा, आपको वो भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा। आप ऐसे नहीं जा सकते, ये कट ऑफ बहुत हाई जाने वाला है, आपने इतना ईजी क्वेश्चन गलत कैसे कर दिया, बिकॉज वी अंडरस्टैंड द एग्जाम प्रेशर ऑफ ऑफ एन एस्पिरेंट ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम टाइम, कि वो ईजी से ईजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन भी गलत कर सकता है, जब एक बच्चा रोल नंबर भी गलत भर सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ द एग्जाम प्रेशर। सो वी कैन फील दैट वे, right? So we don't make that preparation very complex. It has to be very practical, it has to be very smooth, it has to be away from all the fears and vulnerabilities which an aspirant basically suffers during that journey, uske upar jo pressure hota hai। And I don't think कि we'll take that in a robotic way, but in a very human aspect of way. Then there is extensive MCQ practice, जो कि हमारे students बोलते हैं, और मैंने भी आपको बताया कि हर subject पे, हर topic wise पे आपको MCQs provide किए जाएंगे, and that's what makes CGP mentors different. Then cutting social media noise, that means a lot of number of videos on channels and social media platforms कि ये भी कर लो, वो भी कर लो, clear हो जाएगा. We are away from such buzz. So because it just distracts you, just need to follow the proper direction, and you don't have to be go in this zigzag path. Experienced teachers, we have a lot of experienced teachers, right, जो कि आपके पूरे फाउंडेशन और conceptual videos और वो आपको सबको day to day पढ़ाएंगे। Then there is mentorship and personal guidance, जो कि मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ। Cost effective courses, CGP Mentors is known for the most cost effective courses in the market, and you can check the website and you can compare it with the other websites as well. And yes, इससे अच्छा फिर आपको क्या चाहिए जब आपको सब कुछ ही मिल रहा है at one place. Honest and transparent approach, when I say honest and transparent approach, that means we don't claim results, we claim only those results which we have received. And I don't want to discuss more about it. I think you can understand that. Switching from other institutes, it just means that there are a lot of aspirants who just come to us. They switch from other institutes because of the various reasons, maybe because of the money thing, because they've spent a lot of money and then they're not able to study because they found that the material is too vast, too bulky, and they're unable to progress their journey. तो ये बहुत ही सच बात है. So that's why I thought to share that. So yes, stop overthinking the outcome and take the first structured step today. And for that reason, if you have any queries and doubts, you can mail us. You can talk to our mentorship team directly. And yes, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. You're watching CGP Mentors with Sonika. Thank you so much.